Hey, what is going on YouTube? Hacker7 here. In this video, I'll be showing you how to quickly change the shirt of a subject. Now, we currently have our subject here. Now, let's zoom in a bit. Now, if you want to change the shirt, you'd have to make a selection around the shirt. Now, it all depends on the type of shirt you want to give this subject. Now, I want to give this subject a formal shirt. So, I'm going to use one of the selection tools. I'm going to use a lasso tool and make a selection around the entire upper body of the subject. Now this is inclusive of his fingers because the shirt is a bit long, so we have to ensure we get all of the shirt in our selection. All right, so once the selection has been made, down at the bottom here, we have the generative fill. If you're not seeing this, you need to go to Window, and down here, you need to look for contextual taskbar, ensure that it is on. So let's go to Generative Fill and let's select formal shirt or type formal shirt. And let's generate. All right, and that is how you would go ahead and change the shirt of a subject. Now let's select other variations. Right, let's give him a plaid. Now this is still in its learning phase, so obviously there will be some generated images that does not make sense, but please be patient with it. You could generate multiple attempts. I'm not sure why it's leaving out a piece of his arm here, but yes, this one looks nice. Of course, you could continuously generate as many as you'd like. All right, so this one is getting it a bit more. All right, so that is how you'd use Generative Fill to change the shirt of an individual. The better your selection, the better it will be able to change the shirt. So thank you for watching. I hope this video was helpful. Hacker7 out.